Hey guys, ka YouTube channel ng kalian sa lunglomhnak tampi ka ngei. Thank you for visiting to my YouTube channel. Apakat nak pika, I want to apologize because I've been so busy. I was working full time, you know, and especially like it's not easy to get up in the morning. I wish I can do more vlogs, mukbang, and anything like that, but quarantine city ka kan, you know, like in like thawding ki chukurot COVID. That's the story. Zandian katuan. So a few of you guys asked that like they can tell inte pol katuan ning room tour hiti te po zong kha video kan to te nan ti cha khan e kai ma zo katuan kai tim ve chu cha chon. If you guys want more videos, then let me know. I'll try to do my best. Busy, I'm not gonna be able to bring my camera with me all the times, but I'll try to do the best I can with my phone. And then you know, like in the futures, you know, like if pretty much everything is done, then if you guys want to see the video how I got the house, excuse me, like why it's like a single woman, not even married, don't have kids, want to buy a house, anything like that, any questions, I will be happy to answer all the questions that you guys asked in the future. So make a video, so it's not going to be professional, so I'll try to do my best. And then if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, then please let me know. But it's not easy to, you know, buy stuff. They are kind of expensive. So atulio here shopping like ngei, Home Depot, a lot of time Home Depot, and then you know, like kan in here carpet sele, but I want at least my room to be like wood floor. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I just got done with my surgery. From my experience, I don't feel the pain. I just got done 4 of them. They make me sleep. I was a little bit sleepy when they got it done, but I feel so good right now. I'm so happy that I got it done. I can't wait to eat steak because it was too hard to eat steak when I had that wisdom teeth that coming out, but it's still bleeding, so I have to put it on. Other than that, guys, don't be scared, don't be nervous. I don't know, it's just me or for everyone else or some people. It's not like what I think at all, or it's not like what other people tell me about it. It felt good. They make me sleep. I fell asleep. Took them about what? Took them about 40 minutes, I would say. So yeah, I feel good. So thank you guys. And tomorrow I'll go to the house and I'll be helping my dad, and they'll paint the cabinet because I don't like the cabinet color, so they'll be doing a white color, and I'm excited. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, hi, this is Ezra and this is James. So today we gonna do
a house tour.
Oh, James, if you do down
a house tour. Yeah,
I mean, like not officially a house tour because we have to fix a lot of things and we have to paint the wall, even though like all of my family say don't need to, but I want to paint the wall. I don't like the color that they have.
White.
Yeah, I do want a white.
I want black.
You want black, Jim?
Yeah. No, I want white.
White, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And my shirt is white and black. Okay. So atu jo like full room tour tuk ki kan to lem thar ya la zero doesn't kan rap di ti hamban pari cha khan. So then when I get done or like you know color ti pon kan thu di hai ti chon cabinet na kha right there. So cabinet na kha white into kudu. So maharong khan azapi ti khan room tour kha to den ka 7p there lo cha se. So hope you guys understand. By the way, I got my wisdom teeth extraction yesterday and it wasn't that bad considering how people scared me. So if you need to take the wisdom teeth out, don't be scared. Easy. Just be strong and healthy and courageous. Alright, see you guys. Okay. So this is the door. Hika he lu nak se. Hika he minong van lu nak se. Then we go straight to the breakfast room. This is the call. Okay. Hold on 1 second. My dad's calling me. Hello? Apan di lo here. Cha ka kot le. Roll ba kan putte ko pa.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Hello.
This is Martha. So currently có room con pink liao and
I'm drinking a drink.
Coca-Cola din ko. Atu hi restaurant di po ka chok din kan ham nim lang kal hoila. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.